And a lot of people tend to go way up there. They're not supposed to. This truck guy is way past behind. Right on. Most people like being on camera. They're smiling. I don't even know what number video this is right now. What is this, like the 4th or the 5th we're into now? It's green, let's get it. Way past the line of scrimmage again there, buddy. Better back up. Back up, back up. Gotta back up further than that. Line is right there. You're up there. People just won't learn until a semi comes through here. Then they'll learn real quick. I think they're on a break or something. They're on a break. This guy's stopped right there. This way is way past the line. Let's get it. Green light. But yeah, like I said before in my other video, guys, get out and, enjoy the day. Enjoy the beautiful weather while you got it, because who knows how long it's going to last. Thank God for another beautiful day. Get out and enjoy it. Ride a bike. Dog. Bust out your video camera. Record stuff. See what's really going on in this world. Because you will never know. If you're sitting at home all day watching TV, you'll never really know what's really going on. You should go out and find out for yourself. But guess that'll do it for today's video, people. We'll see you in the next video. Somebody back there beeped. I don't know what they're talking about, but as I said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Somebody was I thought I was gonna peace out, but I have to stick around for a little bit, see what happens. Stuff usually happens when you start to leave. I catch stuff on camera. But yeah, that'll do it for today's video. Like I said, we will catch you guys on the next video. If you like my videos, if you like how this video camera is better than my GoPro, if you like how it's more picture quality is better, the sound quality is better, let me know in the comments. But if you like my content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.